flag on the play. You make the call. Some of you older beekeepers will remember that from the Not For Long League. Just by glancing at that queen in that cage, what is your opinion? My opinion is they don't like her. And see, look at this. You can't get them off there. They will not come off there. Sadly, this is the only queen I've found. This queen came with the swarm. Unless she stupidly went into one of these other hives, the other one that they've accepted, because they obviously have not accepted this queen. Don't see no other queen. But they definitely have not accepted her. I've looked all in the box. You can tell by the way they're racing around on the frame. They're looking for the queen they've accepted, which they don't have. Just a quick tip. Sometimes when they do swarm with a queen, there's usually more than one, and say one dropped out in flight or something to get here. Or she went in one of these boxes from when we were watching them earlier. Oh well, thanks for watching. Uh-oh, she just dropped down in the box. I'll give you guys a good one. You guys scared to reach down into a pile of bees. Alright, thanks for watching.